How to customize the File Explorer homepage in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to tweak it to work the way you want. First, open File Explorer by clicking the folder icon in your taskbar or pressing Windows key plus E. From there, click the three dots at the top right of the toolbar and select Options from the dropdown. After that, the Folder Options window will open on the General tab. At this point, click the dropdown next to Open File Explorer 2 and change it from Home to This PC if you'd rather land on your drives and folders every time you open it. Following this, scroll down to the Privacy section just below that. From here, you'll see two checkboxes, one for Show Recently Used Files and one for Show Frequently Used Folders. Uncheck either of these if you don't want them showing up on the homepage, which also helps if you share your PC with others. After that, click Apply and then OK to save everything. From here, if you want to pin a specific folder to quick access so it always appears on the homepage, just right-click on any folder anywhere in File Explorer and select Pin to Quick Access. Finally, to remove a pinned folder from Quick Access, right-click on it from the homepage and select Unpin from Quick Access. That's how you customize the File Explorer homepage in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.